modeling business processes in law firms, optimization through modern technologies. Endless paperwork, deadlines, and client cases are the routine companies working in the law industry deal with every day. Surprise!
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. Sprint Seal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Many still complete these tasks manually, like in the pre-digital era, print documents, review contracts, and schedule client appointments. Meanwhile, the work has sped up and requires new approaches to working processes. The adoption of innovative digital tools can reduce the risks of mistakes and give lawyers more time to focus on actual work rather than administrative tasks. How have technologies revolutionized processes in the legal industry? Digital tools have greatly helped attorneys and their assistants to handle daily operations. Over the past decade, many firms have switched to legal law platforms that organize files, process client details, and other essential data. For example, electronic case management systems store legal documents in a secure location where they can be accessed by attorneys at any time. One no longer has to search through dozens of physical folders for a contract one signed 2 years ago. These tools can also track deadlines and send notifications when another agreement needs to be updated or when the court date approaches. Meanwhile, AI-powered programs help with document analysis. They can review contracts in seconds, saving legal teams thousands of hours that they used to spend on manual document review. What is the purpose of sitting days and nights on another form and searching for errors if special software can scan it within seconds, extract key clauses, and detect potential risks? Many firms also use cloud-based data storage to protect confidential client records. Cybersecurity remains a serious concern, and such tech solutions prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Automation benefits law firms of all sizes. Routine tasks, such as consultation scheduling, document drafting, and invoice preparation, require little human effort when automated. The industry definitely has more interesting things to work at. Legal processes that can be automated. Many tasks require significant time but do not need manual input. Automating these functions improves efficiency and reduces workload. Below are key areas where automation helps. Document storage. Digital record keeping allows quick access to client files and case documents. Contract analysis. AI scans legal agreements for errors, key clauses, and areas of concern. Client registration. Online forms collect client details before their first consultation. Invoice processing. Digital tools generate invoices and track payments automatically. Case research. AI retrieves relevant case laws and statutes faster than manual searches. Appointment booking. Clients select available time slots through automated scheduling. Case status updates. Automatic emails notify clients about changes in their case progress. By allowing computers to perform all these tasks, lawyers can reduce the time they spend on repetitive tasks that bring no value to their expertise and dedicate more effort to the improvement of overall client service. Top 5 tech tools for improving efficiency in legal processes. Law firms can integrate different software to handle documents, cases, and client communication more effectively. Below are 5 solutions that improve legal business operations. 1. Case management software. If you track legal matters manually, it can result in missed deadlines and errors. Programs like Clio, MyCase, and Practice Panther organize client information in one system and help one to organize documents, track deadlines, and manage workflow. A lawyer who simultaneously works on several cases does not have to search for specific documents in different folders for hours. Instead, they can access client records instantly and set reminders within the system to keep every meeting or court hearing on schedule. Besides, such platforms ensure secure document sharing. 2. AI-powered contract review tools. Programs that use artificial intelligence, such as Logix and Kira systems, can scan texts, extract key terms, and flag risky clauses within minutes. A business law firm that handles large volumes of contracts benefits greatly from such reviews. Instead of spending hours on document analysis, lawyers review AI-generated summaries and focus on strategic negotiations instead. 3. E-signature solutions. The traditional process of contract signing involves many stages. One should print the form, sign the paper document, scan it, and mail the electronic file. It slows down all the operations and wastes valuable time. Meanwhile, digital signature software like DocuSign and Larina Sign significantly simplify this process. Clients receive agreements via email, add their signatures on any device, and return them securely. Such tools are especially useful for law firms that work in the real estate field or with corporate law, as they allow them to speed up contract execution. 4. Legal research platforms. Without the right tools, it may take a lawyer hours to find relevant case laws and legal. This process is exhausting and steals the most precious resource in any legal matter: time. Meanwhile, AI-driven websites like Westlaw, LexisNexis, and Fastcase can retrieve any required files based on specific search terms. With their help, a litigation attorney who is preparing for trial can quickly find necessary information without the need to search through multiple books and articles. Instead, their task is just to formulate the right request and study the documents the program provides. 5. Automated billing solutions. Manual invoicing takes up too much time and often leads to mistakes. Special tools like TimeSolve and Bill4Time automatically track billable hours, generate invoices, and send payment reminders. A law firm with multiple clients can set up a digital system that controls if invoices go out on time. Automated payment tracking improves cash flow and reduces the number of unpaid balances. Clients also benefit from such tools as they receive reminders to submit payments before due dates.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.